Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to add products to Shopify. So in order to do this, first of all, log into Shopify using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see Shopify's dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll have to simply click on the Products tab, that is the third option from the top. Now, you will see a list of other options appearing under that. Here, you will see Collections, Inventory, Purchase Orders, Transfers, and Gift Cards. So what you'll have to do is simply click on this Add Product button on this page. Now, when you click on Add Products, you will see this form appearing. Here you'll have to enter all the information regarding your product. For example, this is the title of my product. So I'll enter Digital NFT for Pizza. Now, in the description, you can copy and paste it or simply click on this Generate Text button and enter features and keywords about your product. For example, I will enter Digital NFT for Pizza. Now, I will have to simply choose the tone in which I want my description and click on the Generate button. After that, this will generate a description for my product. I'll have to simply click on Keep and this will be my description for the product. Now, scroll down, navigate to Media section and you can now upload the product's image. Click on Upload New. Now, navigate to your product's image, select it and click on Open. So, this will be my product's image. Now, I will have to scroll down, navigate to Pricing, enter the price for my product. In the Compare at Price section, you can display a markdown. Enter a value higher than a price that is often shown with a strike through. You'll have to enter the price in this field where it will compare this with the original pricing. Now, in the cost per item, you'll have to simply enter the cost that is per item of this product. Now, you can see you'll make this much profit and this will be the margin. It is calculated automatically. Now, you'll have to scroll down, navigate to Inventory section and click on the Track Inventory if you have an inventory tracking for your product. Now, you can click on Shop Location and choose whether you want to continue selling when out of stock or not. Also, you can choose whether this product has a SKU or a barcode. Now, click on this and you can choose how much you have in your stock. Scroll down and navigate to this Shipping section. Here, you can choose whether this is a physical product or not. You can enter the weight of this product. If this is a physical one, if this is digital, you'll have to simply deselect this box. Scroll down, navigate to Variants and click on Add options like size or color. Here, you can add different kind of variants for your product like size or color. So I will search for color. So I will click on Create Custom option. Now, name your option something, for example color. Choose the option values like black, white and you can add as much values you want and click on Done. Scroll down. As you can see, you can also set different pricing for the variants of your products that will be available. Now, scroll down, navigate to Category Metafills and you can add card attributes to your product or store. You can also navigate to Search Engine Listing, click on this pencil icon and edit the page title, meta description and URL handle for your product. Scroll up and you can set the status as active or you want this product to be a draft. But in order to publish it, we'll have to choose active. Scroll down, navigate to Publishing and as you can see, this product will be published to these channels. Scroll down again and in the Product Organization section, you can choose the product type, the vendor, collections and the tags for your product. Now choose the theme template for this product. I'm going to choose default. Now, after finishing all the information related to your product, click on the save icon at the top. After you do this, your product will be successfully uploaded to your online store. You can simply click on this View Your Online Store button just after Online Store and scroll down and as you can see, I just uploaded this product on my Shopify store. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.